Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a means table in Excel effortlessly. Whether you are a researcher, student, or just someone interested in data analysis, this tutorial will guide you on how to summarize and analyze this type of data effortlessly. So let's get started. This is the data of the food product that have been stored for various period of time and then evaluated for pH, vitamin C and antioxidant. How we can make the means table from this data, let's learn. So here in this cell I will write equal and then I will use the group by function. First I need to provide the row fields. Row field is actually the categories, so I will select the treatment and days. After this I will put comma. Next we need to select the values, so I will select the data about pH, vitamin C and antioxidants. Again I will put comma, and next is what we will do with this data. Because we want to make the means table, so I will select average from this list of functions. After this again a comma. Now because in the means table I need headers, so I will choose 3, close this bracket and hit enter. So this is the means table we get, but we also have total at the end that gives me the total of means of all these treatment at different days. But this is useless for me. How I can remove this? I will go to this formula and after this 3 again I will put comma, and now I will write 0 because I don't need any total. So I will write 0 and now hit enter. So the total have been removed from this table. I will write means over here. Next is how we can determine the standard deviation for this means table. Go to this cell and here I will paste this formula, and in the formula instead of average, this time I will scroll down and select this standard deviation for the sample and then hit enter. So now you can see that we have the standard deviation as well. On the top I can write standard deviation, and that's it. Your means as well as the standard deviation for making the means table is ready for your thesis. Or you can make any graph or any type of chart using this means and standard deviation. And there you have it. I hope this tutorial helped you understanding how to create a means table in Excel effortlessly. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth tutorial. Feel free to leave any questions or comment below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.